Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef yakisoba. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need fresh yakisoba noodles, thinly sliced beef, and a colorful mix of vegetables like cabbage, carrots, and onions. Don't forget to prepare your savory sauce with soy sauce, Worcestershire, and a touch of sugar. Having everything prepped beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Heat a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. Add a little oil, then sear your thinly sliced beef until it's beautifully browned and cooked through. Remove the beef and set it aside. In the same pan, add your prepared vegetables and stir-fry them until they are tender crisp, retaining a nice bite. It's time to bring everything together. Return the cooked beef to the pan with the vegetables. Add your fresh yakisoba noodles, breaking them apart gently. Pour your delicious yakisoba sauce evenly over all the ingredients. Toss everything together using tongs or spatulas until the noodles, beef, and vegetables are thoroughly coated and heated through, absorbing all that wonderful flavor. Your homemade beef yakisoba is ready. Serve it immediately while it's hot to enjoy the freshest flavors and textures. For an authentic touch, garnish your yakisoba with a sprinkle of chopped green onions, some toasted sesame seeds, or a side of pickled ginger. It's a quick, satisfying meal perfect for any day. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.